What's wrong?
Feeling your mind stuck on it. That's right. You have to admit one thing to me. All you do is put your little mask on and do whatever Master tells you to. Roll over, hew, and wag your tail. Cause you're their fucking dog.